we elevate everyday essentials. We did that with this grooming kit. We felt that all grooming kits were kind of boring and poor quality, so we found a brand that had the same values as us in terms of quality and craftsmanship, and that was ArteStile. We partnered with them to get the tools. They come from Italy. They're surgical grade stainless steel. They're perfect for all skin types, so it was a no-brainer. This was just something that we needed to do and an essential that we wanted to elevate. The really cool thing about this kit is that you can basically take it anywhere and everywhere. You know, it's TSA approved. The scissors are under a certain length requirement, so it never gets stopped. And it's the ideal product to have with you on the road because it does come in handy for grooming and otherwise. So it's a perfect travel friend. They're not gonna rust. As long as you wipe them when you're done, put the tip protectors on, and store them in the case, then they're gonna last a lifetime. That's why we made the case, so that there's an easy way to store them and carry them. If you get any water on the case, just dry it off quickly with a cloth and you're good to go. So this kit comes with a nail clipper and file, a slant tip tweezer, and a scissor, perfect for your beard and trimming other hairs, and also comes with a comb like you see here, as well as an eyebrow brush if you're particular like me and you like to keep these things tamed. So it's got everything you need to stay groomed at home and on the road.